This home I've been in pretty much my whole life. It's been like 26 years in the same house, and it's been through a million changes. I left for a little, came back, and I don't know, this is just where all the memories are. Every room has a different memory tied to it. We have family over all the time.
My dad was actually planning on getting our kitchen done for years, and honestly, it was just expensive and just not the right time, but finally it was the right time, and we were looking for the right people, and Woodbridge Kitchen and Bath was just perfect for us.
We got to see some of the samples of the different cabinets, different countertops, and it was really helpful just to kind of get the vision and see certain pieces together. Yeah, we were showing pictures of my brother's kitchen, him and his fiance. Their kitchen looks kind of similar to this. That was our inspiration, so we just kind of showed pictures, and that's where Isaac pulled out some of the samples and came up with this. Also the coffee bar, that was kind of inspired by their kitchen as well. That kind of came to life here, and we use it every day. Everyone coming in was super friendly. I work from home, so I was home here with them all day. They were very helpful. At one point, I wasn't sure about the placement of the island, so I came in here while one of the carpenters was mid-job, and I was just kind of staring at him. He was like, "Everything okay?" And he helped me like move it around a little bit, and he stepped back. He's like, "I think that looks good," so he was helpful. He didn't have to do it, but he was so friendly because I was just kind of unsure about it at first, so that was nice. I was shocked by how fast the demolition was. I think it was only a couple hours, so that was really fast, and then immediately got into putting all the new stuff in. It was nice to see it come to life.
But I would say that cooking in the kitchen was it's much more enjoyable. Now we actually have a lot of drawers that work.
I think it stays a lot cleaner now because we have a place to put everything, so that's been really nice. I found that it doesn't get as cluttered as it did before, but now we have specific drawers and compartments. I love the spice cabinet. It pulls out, so now we have more space in the cabinets. That's really handy. It's definitely more organized and easier to cook in. We wanted to redo this kitchen for a long time. My mom was a caterer and she cooked a lot, and it just over the years got really worn out in here. But when she passed away, but she had some people over to get some quotes on her idea of her dream kitchen, and we never ended up doing it. But a couple years had passed, and we figured now was probably the time to do it, and that's when we found Woodbridge Kitchen and Bath. So now we have it. I don't know if she would agree with the dark wood. She wanted white, but
she did want white. She was gonna do it herself, and then we were
But I think she would be really happy with the kitchen how it is now. And also, she always said that we should turn the island to face our family room, so we did that. We did that for her finally, and I do agree with that one. So all these years later, we finally got it done. Every year we throw a big Christmas brunch at our house, so I'll be cooking with Livy. We'll be doing that together, and so I'm excited for hosting Christmas brunch again, maybe Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and we'd also just like to say thank you to Isaac specifically, because he was very good about answering our questions, and if we were worried about anything going on during the whole process, he was just a text away and answered very fast.
Yeah.
But
yeah. It was definitely a great process, but yeah, I'm excited to have even more dinners in here. First one broke in really well, so.